For years, drivers have been told one simple instruction: finish all your braking before the corner. It's one of the first things learner drivers are taught, and for beginners, it's excellent advice. But if that's the only technique you've ever learnt, it could actually reduce your options when something unexpected happens. Today, we're going to explain why. When you're learning to drive, your brain is managing a lot. Steering, mirrors, speed, road position, hazards, gears, decisions. That's a significant cognitive load. By asking a beginner to finish braking before the corner, we simplify the task. Brake, then steer, two separate things. But as your skills develop, blending those inputs becomes not just possible, but essential. Here's the reality of driving on real roads. You won't always have the perfect approach. A car might pull out, a cyclist might appear, a kangaroo might cross. You might simply misjudge your entry speed. In these moments, threshold braking while cornering, applying firm, controlled braking while maintaining steering input, can be the difference between a near miss and a collision. But only if you understand how to manage tyre grip. Modern cars have ABS, anti-lock braking systems, and there's a common misunderstanding about what ABS does. ABS does not stop your car faster. ABS prevents your wheels from locking under heavy braking. What it preserves is your ability to steer. If you feel the ABS pulse through the brake pedal, that's your signal. Brake hard, hold hard, keep steering. Let the system do its job. Don't lift off, don't panic. Trust it. Advanced drivers read the road constantly. They use the vanishing point, where the road edges appear to meet, to judge how the corner is developing. They manage their vision, looking as far ahead as the road allows. They enter corners at a speed that lets them respond to the unexpected. And they understand that smooth inputs, smooth braking, smooth steering, smooth acceleration are the foundation of vehicle control. Read, assess, adapt. At Panache Driver Training, we believe that understanding why you do something makes you a better driver than simply memorizing what to do. The technique matters, but the reasoning behind it matters more. Because roads change, conditions change, situations change. The driver who understands their vehicle, their limits, and the physics at play will always have more options. That's what we teach. Whether you're a learner building your foundations, or an experienced driver wanting to sharpen your skills, there's always more to learn. Because knowledge teaches you to drive, but Roadcraft teaches you to survive. Drive well, drive safe. Panache Driver Training.